How in the 10 will we make sure that out of our connection will always come the force that will strengthen each and every friend, so he won't forget, won't run away, and it won't be that he falls out of connection and comes back and again, but every time that he will be in increasing connection. How do we make sure that there will be this constant force in the 10, an everlasting fire?
I guess Rav, how can we imagine or depict the force of the 10 as one where the Creator is revealed? Our effort to be together. What does it mean together? What does it mean unified? What is that connection? In what way does it sustain itself? And how does the Creator appear in it? What does it mean, the revelation of the Creator? Go ahead. You should discuss together, and from this togetherness, something right will come up.